Brad Williams, Excel primed. We're looking at SUMIF, SUMIFs in the same tutorial. Here we have automaker. We have plants, we have dates, we have inventory, we have unit price, we have wholesale cost. You're going to see this a lot. Hit F9, hit F9. It's available. So what are we doing? We don't want to see west-west. We want east. What do we want? We want to add up everything in the east. Here, plan east. Find east and add them up. I'm not going to add up 14 million something, but what are we adding? We're looking for east. Anything in the east, we're going to take this wholesale cost. Wholesale cost is inventory times unit price. We'll do this later. But all we're going to do, if it's east, okay, there's an east. There's an east. There's an east. And so on and so forth. SUMIF. What's so special about SUMIF? It's a single criteria. Region is C5 to C21. I want to keep this as simple as possible, so we're just narrowing on plants. Total, right here, total cost. Wholesale cost, I could have put wholesale cost, but G5, G21. That's it. We've gone over this repeatedly. The criteria is what? I5, east. We're going to add up everything in the east. Read up over here. SUMIFs. Why would we use two criteria? We don't need to use anything more than one. We're used to using SUMIFs and saying, I don't need SUMIF. We did the exact same thing, but the layout is a little bit different. Notice here, we had total on the right and region on the left. Here, we reverse it. Total, which is, it's the sum range. That would be wholesale cost. We have region, which is east. Our criteria is way over here on the right. Take a look. Say look. Total. We're going to look at the blue. Total 109. Region, red. Purple would be the criteria. Here, SUMIFs, sum range, range, criteria. Sum range, range, criteria range, and criteria. I didn't write out criteria range here. I should have, but that's it. When we're looking at just a single criteria, your choice. Flip a coin. If you're, as I said, if you like using SUMIFs with one criteria, two criteria, endless criteria up to 255, use SUMIFs. I like SUMIFs. I just want to show both. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thank you.